Nestled on 8 private acres in scenic Dunstable, Massachusetts, this custom-built 3,400-plus square foot colonial home has been exquisitely landscaped, has 2x6 construction, 9 rooms, 3.5 baths, 4 bedrooms, and 2 have their own full bath. With the changing times, you'll have plenty of space to claim your own private office. A walkout basement with limitless potential, a walk-up attic, and an unfinished space above the master bedroom, this property offers you a one-of-a-kind opportunity. While it is in move-in ready condition, one owner and no work needed, it has endless possibilities to make it your own. Whether it's privacy you want or to subdivide, you even have enough land for family to build another home, or have horses or a farm, or just provide your kids with room to roam to create their own memories and adventures. You won't want to miss this opportunity to own this rare find. It's located in one of the most sought-after areas because of its location. Located at the end of a dead-end street and surrounded by conservation land that has miles of walking and horse trails, fishing and kayaking at Unkety Brook, you'll feel like you're in the country. But you're less than 10 minutes to Route 3 and major shopping and dining areas. You're also just a short 42 miles from Boston and 22 miles from the Manchester-Boston Regional Airport. So come see this beautiful home before it belongs to another loving family.